lot louder.
Got a lot louder. And see, if you're just cruising though, them the active exhaust valve is actually shut and it gets really quiet. Like almost no exhaust noise inside of here.
Yep.
Not even a drone or anything. And then under light throttle, still pretty loud.
Yep. So that's with no cats to the stock active exhaust muffler. 2019 Camaro SS.
Yes. With stealth mode on, even with the no cats, it's very quiet. It's quieter than the stock exhaust with the valves open, like by far. It's just a little bit louder than, you know, everything's shut in stock. So if you're looking for a little bit more sound on the weekends, this is actually a great mod. You can get a lot of sound and then keep it quiet through the week.
You're gonna need a tune though.
Definitely will need a tune.
Which this car will be getting.
With the check engine light being off, I assume it's going to come on. If it doesn't, we'll actually come back and give you all an update at the end of this video. But if it doesn't come on before, you know, we get the tune put on it, I don't know. I guess this is the video. We won't come back. Because if the check engine light doesn't come on, then
I recommend if you go get your cats taken off of your car, get it tuned.
Have a tune like scheduled already.
You can drive it around like this as long as you put pipe back in place of where the cats were, but it needs a tune still.
Yes.
It's not right now.
I don't know if y'all have not seen the 4-cylinder videos. When we put a downpipe on the 4-cylinder, the car went into limp mode. It got extremely slow. This doesn't seem like it's done that. But then again, it doesn't have a check engine light yet either. So that may change, but it still feels, actually it feels a little bit faster than it was. Traction control definitely kicked on a lot more than it normally does. As y'all can tell by the comparisons.
Yeah, by how slow it took off.
Yeah, I floored it straight out of the gate and just didn't do anything. Traction control was locking it down from the moment I hit the gas.
But that's what a 19 Camaro sounds like with no cats to the active exhaust.
Yeah, amazing.
Sounds good.